morning. Here's our view on the Dakota Magic Casino Skycam here in the Wahpeton area, rather the Hankinson area. There we go. Same county in Richland County on the southern end of the county. We could see the flags are flying a little bit. We still have just a bit of wind out there this morning to start off. Now, it's not like yesterday's gusts into the 30s to near 40, but still a little bit breezy that you're going to want to be aware of. And that'll factor in again today for how it feels for you to be outdoors. And if we do get any snow, and some of us may see it, that may lead to some lower visibility as well, combining with that snow. So speaking of, the radar showing pretty quiet weather at this point in time. We've got some areas of cloud cover, other spots where we're on the clear side, and then areas where we're looking at some snow over in our western viewing area. The rest of us looking pretty quiet at this point. So let's zoom in on that area. We're looking at Barnes County, back over north of Jamestown on the reservoir there, and then back up into Devil's Lake, especially east of Devil's Lake, and heading into Nelson County, seeing some snow starting to get a little more substantial there, stretching back up into Towner County as well. So some spotty areas of flakes to greet you this morning in some of these areas. Most of us, though, the vast majority of the valley is quiet for now. A little bit of wind still. You could see some gusts and getting into the 20s and teens at the moment, a gust to 23 in Jamestown. That wind coming in out of the west or northwest to start off your day today. Temperatures are mild at least. We're starting off our morning with some pretty good numbers here. We're looking at some 20s to some 30s. It's 28 degrees in Fargo, 24 in Grand Forks. We're looking at 33 in Jamestown, so not too bad. So let's get right to the forecast for today. We've got those areas of light snow going through this morning, heading into midday as we're working on our lunch break and heading home from school into the afternoon. Temperatures are going to be on the rise, yet again above freezing in a lot of spots. We're looking at some partly to mostly cloudy skies. You can see what's going on out west. We've got more snow and even some rain in that area, and that's going to try to creep into our viewing area here as we work our way through the afternoon. So heading a little farther into the afternoon, highs today will range anywhere from some mid-20s up in the northeast to some mid to maybe even upper 30s in the southwest. We're looking at the wind, not too bad as we head into the afternoon, more into the teens. And then you could see that snow and maybe potential mix happening down in that Ellendale area. The James River Valley right there going to be a focus for the potential for some of that precipitation for today. It's kind of a break for a lot of us, but that's one spot that's not quite getting that break from the active weather. Heading into the 6 o'clock hour, heading home from work, we're looking at generally quiet conditions for almost everybody, still dealing with that snow and a little bit of rain in that region. And then that starts to slide southeastward more into South Dakota. We're looking at into northeastern parts of South Dakota and into the Sisseton area, perhaps down into that Hankinson area we just showed you. And then overnight, that moves on, and we're just unsettled. We're looking over the next several days, some unsettled weather impacting us, meaning at any given time we could see a quick passing snow shower or rain shower or two. And overnight you could see that whirling its way into parts of eastern North Dakota, kind of falling apart into the 7 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. Tomorrow starting off a little cooler, but still okay for early March standards. We're looking at teens and 20s to start the day, so not too bad. Heading out to your vehicles to get them started in the morning. And then as we head into the later morning and into the afternoon, we're looking at temperatures 20s to some 30s to work our way into the lunch hour. And then the next system approaches, and this is another clipper that's going to bring us a chance for some snow and even some rain here in the valley. We'll warm things up. We'll get windy yet again into the second half of our day tomorrow. You can see that snow up in the north, and then on the cold front with this, potentially that chance for rain in the south. So this could get a little bit messy yet again as this works its way through here in the forecast. Here's your photo today, morning frost. That's a really cool shot there. This is from M. Anderson in eastern North Dakota, and taking a look at your 7-day planner, you can see we've got some active weather here this week. Started yesterday, continues today for some of us. More of us get in on that on Wednesday and into early Thursday, staying mild now Friday and into Saturday, quieting down and warming up with more mixed precipitation possible on Sunday.
Okay. You know, things warm up. It starts to get a little messy in the forecast.
Yeah, exactly how that works.
Thank you, Lisa.
Voters will be heading to the polls for Super Tuesday today, and we'll have a live report from Moorhead just ahead on the Valley today.